How to upload videos on Pinterest. So if you want to upload videos on Pinterest, then first you can open up your Pinterest application, and after opening, now you can simply go for the plus icon which is on the bottom middle, and from here you can go for pin which is on the left side, and here it will take you to the gallery photos or gallery videos. So what you have to do is you have to go for videos. If you want to post a Pinterest video, or if you want to post a video on your Pinterest, then you can go for videos, and then you can select a video. So for example, I'll be choosing this video, and after choosing the video, now you can simply go for the next, which is on the upper right, and from here you can simply adjust the size, media, text, music, stickers, draw, or you can color that. You can do anything with that video. You can edit that video, and after editing you can go for next, which is on the upper right, and from here you can add a cover, pick a cover, and then you can give some title and description, and then you can add some links, and you can tag some topics, or you can pick a board, or you can do advanced settings. And after doing all of this, and after editing all of that, you can simply go for create, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. That's how you create your post, or that's how you create your pin, video pin on your Pinterest. Now you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you can go for pins, which is on the left side of that board, and here you will have all of your pins that you have posted that are yours. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.